I never really bought the idea that life started with an explosion. Not because science is wrong, but because explosions don't explain continuity. They explain force. They don't explain curiosity. What if the universe didn't begin as chaos, but as consciousness, young, bright, undifferentiated, like a baby star? Not knowing what it was yet, only that it was. And what if every expansion wasn't destruction, but discovery? A new form to live through, a new place to stand, a new way to feel itself exist. A star becomes a question, a planet becomes a pause, a system becomes relationship, a galaxy becomes memory. Not replacing what came before, adding to it. Just like us. I didn't erase who I was at 10 or 20, or the versions of me that stood in different places and wore different skins. Those versions still exist because they were lived. And maybe space is the same thing, not emptiness, but path. The trail consciousness left behind as it kept asking, what else can I be? So maybe life didn't come after the universe. Maybe the universe is what life looks like when it keeps growing, aging, learning, expanding its capacity to hold more contrast without collapsing. And if that's true, then everything is alive, not because it moves, but because it was experienced. Stars aren't accidents. Planets aren't random. We're not mistakes waiting for meaning. We're consciousness, mid-sentence, still exploring, still discovering, still becoming vast enough to recognize itself everywhere.